Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have a little unbagging for you today from Dior. This is my very first Dior purchase. Okay, so I went to buy like a scarf. I went looking for a confidential scarf from Louis Vuitton, and I saw it and I've looked at that before and I like that bandeau, but something keeps me from buying it. Like, I'm not in love with it. I feel like it wouldn't look as good on my bags as I want it to look, something like that. I feel like the browns would clash, I don't know. So I went over to Gucci because I like some of their scarves too, and they had a particular scarf that I saw online that I wanted to see. And I saw it in person and I wasn't as crazy about it as I thought I'd be, and I can post a picture of it here. It's floral design and it has this snake running through, and it's pretty. I wish the navy blue was black instead, and I wish the two ends looked the same instead of being different colors. I'd like it better then. And then I stopped into Dior because I go in there every once in a while to look at their scarves, and found this one and loved it and had to have it. So when she bagged it up for me, she just brought it to me in the bag with no tissue paper and no ribbon. So I requested that she add those things, because why not? You know, it's my first purchase, and she knew it was my first purchase from Dior. And then the receipt just came in this little envelope. Aren't they supposed to come? I'm like disappointed with the packaging is my point. Aren't they supposed to come in a little envelope that has kind of the texture of the bag on it or something? I just am not very impressed with this packaging. The envelope just has her card and then the receipt from Saks Fifth Avenue, which is where this boutique was. So let's get into the packaging. I'm not going to untie the ribbon, but I will take the tissue paper out. And I've noticed that the tissue paper is loud on camera, so I'm going to pause it for a second, take the tissue paper out, and then show you the rest. Okay, here's the tissue paper, and I don't know if it's going to show up, but it says Dior really small on it. All right, I took the tissue paper out, and here's what it looks like inside my bag. So if you know their packaging, you know what I got. And I think I just said I got a scarf, right? So here is their little packaging. It's like a twilly. I don't know what they call their scarves. At Louis Vuitton, they're bandeaus, and at Hermes, they're twillies. This lid is fun because it's like a magnifying glass, and it allows you to see what your scarf looks like. So here it is. This is called, their scarves have names. This is Le Diable, the devil. So there's I'll show you the inside first. So it's that pattern the whole way down. And then the outside, I always look at the ends on the scarves first because that's what I'll see. And I just thought that was really cute. All the little devils and bats are really cute. And my dog Sebastian, we call him Bat for short, and Vincent actually gave him that nickname. So I like that it had bats on it for that reason. It's got a little bee, little devils, and then turn it around, and it is it the same thing? Yeah, it's the same thing on both sides. So it has the CD there for Christian Dior, and then the pattern is the same on both sides. So that's my scarf. Thought that was really cute, wanted to share it with you, and that is all. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon if you would like to be notified when I post new videos, and follow me on Instagram if you're into that sort of thing. I'm Autumn Beckman there too. Y'all have a fantastic evening. Bye.